take a look at this Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. The brand did send it over and I was compensated for this review. But I will tell you that I hate chopping veggies by hand. It takes forever. My cutting board turns into a disaster zone and I usually always end up crying over onions. So when I was offered this Fullstar Vegetable Chopper to see if it actually made my life easier, I jumped on the opportunity. I spend most of my time in the kitchen cooking for the family. So I took everything out of the box. It has razor sharp stainless steel blades, so I can obviously see that it will chop through everything, including your fingers, so just be very careful. It also came with 2 different attachments, so you can spiralize things too. It does come with attachments, so it makes it easier to clean as well, like a bristle brush and then those little combs, so you can make sure you get all of the food out of the blades when you're done using it. So I tried it out with onions first. I did cut them in pieces and then I just put it right on top of the blades and I pushed down and it cut them in a matter of seconds. So I wasn't slaving over a cutting board with a knife. Put it on there, you push down and boom, they're done. You could also cut cucumbers, potatoes, carrots, basically anything you throw at it. Those sharp blades will take care of it. And the best part, there's no mess. Everything drops straight into the little container on the bottom so your kitchen counter doesn't have stuff all over it. It literally goes right into the storage compartment as soon as you cut it. Cleaning is super easy. The whole thing can go right in the dishwasher on the top rack, so no more scrubbing those tiny pieces of onions out of weird crevices. But if you don't have time to wait for the dishwasher, you can of course use that brush that it comes with. So if you're like me and you're tired of spending half of your life chopping veggies, or you just want meal prep to be way less annoying, this thing is a complete game changer and I would definitely recommend it.